Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. In this part of the video, we are going to begin with the next chapter, that is Windows 7, in which you are going to learn about what is Windows 7 and how does it works. So let us begin with the topic. Introduction to Windows 7. Windows is an operating system that helps the computer to understand and execute the program. It also helps the computer to manage and control the various parts of the computer. Let's see it. Children, to manage hardware and software, we need an operating system. Operating system, that is the OS, is a software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various functions. It controls and manages different parts of a computer system, and it acts like an interface between the computer parts and the user. We can also say that it is this software that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. There are different operating systems: Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. But Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system. Did you know that Microsoft Corporation was founded by two people, that is Paul Allen and Bill Gates? Now students, tell me, when you switch on your computer, what do you see? Yes, correct. The first screen that you see once the OS gets loaded is the desktop. The desktop contains a start button and a few icons, that is the graphical images that represent some software or applications. So children, what is a file? A file is a container in a computer system for storing information. In other words, we can say that a file is a resource for recording data. Just as words can be written to a paper, so can information be written to a computer file. There are different types of files, children. A file may be designed for different purposes. It can be designed to store a picture, a written message, a video, or a wide variety of other kinds of data. So, a collection of data is called a file. What is a folder? A folder is a special space to store different types of file in the computer. A folder makes it easier for us to locate our files in the computer. It may also contain different folders with files in them. It helps you to organize your computer so that you can locate to your different data on the computer. Students, you already know that when you switch on your computer, the operating system gets loaded. When the OS gets loaded, the first screen that you see is the desktop. But what is the image that you see on the desktop called? Yes, it's a wallpaper. A wallpaper is a picture or a background that you see when you start your computer. It can be any image. You can set your picture as the desktop background too. So to change the wallpaper or the desktop background, you need to follow some simple steps. With the help of 6 simple steps, we can change the wallpaper or the desktop background. Step 1. Click on the Start button and go to the Control panel. Step 2. Click on the Personalization and then click on the Desktop background. Step 3. In the Desktop background window, you can choose a picture from the thumbnails available. To select more than one picture, use the Shift or the Control key. You can click on the drop-down arrow to access other folders or click on the Browse to locate your folder. Step 4. In the Picture Position box, you can choose any option from the list. Step 5. If you have selected more than one picture, select a time in the Change Picture Every box. Step 6. Click on Save Changes to apply the new background. With the help of these steps, you can apply your beautiful wallpaper.
Thank you, dear students. I hope now with this part of the video you are all clear with what is an OS and why is it useful. I hope now you all are going to apply different and beautiful wallpapers every day. Keep doing it, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.